Question number 171. Select the correct match. First option, oropharynx. Portion of pharynx which is common passage for food and air. This is correct. So this is a correct match. Second option, sound box. Pharynx opens to trachea into this. This is incorrect because pharynx, true larynx opens into trachea. Third option, epiglottis. Thick collagenous flap guarding food pipe. This is incorrect because epiglottis is thin elastic flap. Fourth option, pleural fluid promotes friction on the lung surface. This is incorrect because pleural fluid prevents friction on the lung surface. So correct answer to our question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 172. Trachea divides at which level into right and left primary bronchi in humans? And the options given are 5th cervical vertebra, 5th thoracic vertebra, 7th cervical vertebra, 5th lumbar vertebra. Trachea divides at the level of 5th thoracic vertebra. So correct answer to our question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 173. Part of respiratory tract not supported by incomplete cartilaginous rings is, and the options given are trachea, tertiary bronchi, initial bronchioles, and alveoli. Incomplete cartilaginous rings are present in trachea, primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, and initial bronchioles. Incomplete cartilaginous rings are absent in terminal bronchioles and alveoli. So correct answer to our question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 174. Functions not performed by conducting part of respiratory tract is humidification of inhaled air. This function is performed by conducting part. Trapping of foreign particles. This function is also performed by the conducting part. Diffusion of O2 and CO2 between blood and atmospheric air. This function is performed by the respiratory or the gaseous exchange part. Bringing the inhaled air to body temperature. This function is also performed by the conducting part. So, correct answer to our question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 175. Process responsible for movement of oxygen from alveoli into blood in the pulmonary capillaries is, and the options given are facilitated diffusion, simple diffusion, active transport, and filtration. Gases diffuses from high partial to low partial pressure by the simple process of diffusion. So correct answer to our question is option number 2. Let's discuss other options also. Facilitated diffusion is that diffusion which occurs with the help of carrier molecules. Active transport requires energy and it occurs against the concentration gradient. Filtration is incorrect option. So correct answer to our question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.